So one time I heard this story about this girl named Sally. She was riding down the street on her bike, and then she makes this really sharp turn and she falls. So then Bill comes out and he's like, "What's wrong with you? You don't know how to drive?" Like who doesn't know how to drive?
Let's teach him how to drive.
Okay.
Hey.
Look, finna teach, gonna take this initiative. Zach and John about to tell you about derivatives. It isn't hard once you look at the equations. Look at your variables, assess the creation.
The exponent on the X will be your next step. Just bring it down and multiply. No, this ain't complex. A couple rules, a couple tools, you got nothing to lose. Now add a Benjo, gonna show you what complex.
Look, the first factor times the second one's derivative, plus the second times the first one's derivative. Let me pause for a second. Is this making sense? Now back to Zach. Chain rule is second on the
you got a function in parentheses raised to the n, just bring that n down and copy it all again. Look at what's inside, derive and multiply. Now John's gonna teach you what you do when you divide.
Look, down D up minus up D down. All over down squared, that's a noun. You already know that we're the best around. Got some things to teach you, so don't make a sound.
Hey, e to the u, that's what is up next. It's just e to the u times du over dx. True. When dealing with a natural log, don't think twice. It's really pretty simple, John. Give him some advice.
Look, next up we got the natural log of u, and if you listen for a second, I'll tell you what to do. It's the derivative of you, take it and put it over you. Teachers tell me all the time I'm a genius, and man, it's true.
If the function's all like a to the u, and you're all like, Zach, I have no clue what to do. It's a to the u times the ln of the base times du over dx. We gonna put them in their place.
Alright, wait. So you know the derivative of sine, cosine, right? And then the derivative of cosine is negative sine.
Right.
And then
the derivative of tangent is secant squared.
Secant squared.
The derivative of secant is secant tangent.
Secant tangent. And then the derivative of cosecant is cosecant cotangent.
Negative cosecant cotangent. Yep.
And then the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared.
Yeah.
Right.
Whoa,
but
wait,
all
wait.
of them,
Oh my God.
You gotta multiply them by du over dx.
Yep. That's it.
Sally.
That's it. All right.
Yeah.
Give us the beat back, guys.
This is gonna be. Look, so that was Derivatives 101. Jay Brink is the best, and it was a lot of fun.
Test scores coming in July. This rap was brought to you by
the Four Guys.